we're going to make grilled steak with potato wedges. We're going to need our porterhouse beef gut. You can choose any guts you want, and then we'll have our potato wedges with water to avoid oxidation, and our seasonings. Now I'm using basil, oregano, Spanish paprika, and rosemary, and butter, but that really depends on you. Anyway, first things first, we're going to heat up our grill pan, making sure it's hot. And now we're going to put our butter into our beef. I'm using butter because it gives off that nutty flavor, but you can always use oil if you don't have butter. Well, I heard someone said that don't use olive oil because it can stand with the heat, but I haven't tried that out yet. So anyway, the seasoning, you can always use other seasonings you want. I just used basil and oregano, salt, and black pepper because I'm more of the nutty type person. Yeah, I know. Anyway, this is our salt and black pepper, which I've already mixed into a bowl or something. And then I added up our oregano. And my Spanish paprika gives off that heat. And put that one. And I use basil leaves. Now, it depends on you if you want to use rosemary, but that's a bit too much, I guess, for me. So we're going to rub it in our porterhouse, making sure it's covered all in seasoning. And our potato wedges, we're going to season salt and black pepper. Now we're going to grill our beef steak. Is that right? Beef steak? Sure. So anyway, I don't know why my grill pan is not sizzling, but it's sizzling, I assure you that. So basically, I like working multitasking, and now I'm just frying my potato wedges. So I'll be hitting two birds at one stone with one stone. As you can see, my beef steak is medium rare to well done. I like some juices of mine. I like some blood with mine. And then there's this trick I saw in YouTube. His channel is Food Wish, where he told me to put aluminum foil shiny down side, and then but putting a little bit of air hole. I don't want to steam it. And there you have it, your grilled steak with potato wedges. Easy, was it?